One of the most famous moments in science starts with something very simple: an apple falling from a tree. In 1665 to 1666, the Great Plague forced Cambridge University to close. 23-year-old Isaac Newton returned to his family home, Woolsthorpe Manor in the English countryside. During this quiet time, Newton did extraordinary work in mathematics, optics, and gravity. One day in the garden, he saw an apple fall from a tree to the ground. It landed straight down, not sideways, not upward. This ordinary event made him ask a very unusual question. Why does it fall downward? Newton already knew objects are pulled toward the earth, but then he wondered, could the same force that pulls the apple also reach the moon and keep it in its orbit? He realized the answer was yes. The moon is constantly falling toward Earth, just like the apple, but its sideways speed keeps it circling instead of crashing. This single insight led to a revolutionary idea. Gravity is the same force everywhere. There is no separate rule for Earth and a different rule for the heavens. Newton later wrote the law of universal gravitation. Every object attracts every other object with a force proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. In 1687, he published this in his famous book, The Principia, proving that one universal force explains falling apples, orbiting moons, planetary motion, and tides. The apple never actually hit Newton on the head. That's a later legend. But the real story is even more powerful. One quiet observation in a garden showed that the same law governs both the Earth and the entire universe.